all up in my face, but it keeping me safe and in my place. Say grace to the gates for race, but I change the face of judge. And I guess my soul will buzz. Grudge because there's no mercy for thugs. Ooh, what can I do? It's all about the family and how we grow. Can I get a witness? Let it unfold. We living our lives to eternal our soul. Hell, hell.
And we're praying, we're praying, we're praying, we're praying. Every day, every day, every day, every day. And we're praying, we're praying, we're praying, we're praying. Still with lace. Now follow me, Rosto. Whether it's tell or it's having, come, let's go take a visit to the people that's long gone there is. While ladies, they're terrible. Instead of keeping up with family, exactly how many days we got lasting? While you laughing, we're passing the way. We gon' rest our souls, cause I know I'ma meet you up at the crossroad. Y'all know if I ever got love with them both thugs, baby.
Ladies long gone, really wish you could come home. But when it's time to die, gotta go bye-bye. All the little thug could do was cry, cry. Why they kill my dog? Damn man, I miss my Uncle Charles, y'all. And he shouldn't be gone in front of his home.
Kung paano malalaman, maintindihan ang lahat sa mga pangarap na iyong mga hinamon. Paano mo maintindihan kung paano mo mararamdaman ang mga salita na iyong pinamalas, pinakita. Pinakamalulupit na veteranong estilo. Kaya't nandito na ako, blood sincere, staying malupit, pakinggan ng mabangis. Kaya't blood staying malupit, mala Robin Hood kung kumanta na para clock ng sa mahiwagang kong salita. Di ko maintindihan ko ba na kung alamat para ka nagulat sa nagla na hindi maintindihan babala. Sabi ni ina, huwag mo na sana ako parusahan ng magla. Nung tulala ka na ba sa tanong kung paano mo mahamon dun? Pakinggan mo, wag na akong hindi ako paroon. Kaya't hindi pa ako pero nun, di pa ako doon. Kaya't ngayon alam mo na kung paano pinamalas ang lakas. Bikas pinakamalulupit, ang diin ng malupit, yo.